Welcome to today's new video. Now that you know how to create emails and also know about some of the advanced functionalities of email accounts on the cPanel, let's talk about how to check the newly created email on the web. So again, there may be a link on your website, or simply that's always what I do is I remember this. So it's your domain name followed by webmail. For cPanel, we were typing the domain name slash cPanel. Here we say the domain name slash webmail. I hit enter. It will definitely load up once it's redirected, but I always click on this to speed up the process. Now that's a workaround you can do or cannot, it's up to you, but I always do that. Or simply, if you remember this, your domain name with semicolon and 2096. Let's say I can do that as well. Again, domain name.com slash, not slash, double dots 2096. It will directly load up the webmail, so there is no redirection there. So regardless of whatever you use domain name slash webmail or domain name double dot 2096. So either or. Here I'm going to type in the email address that is given to me by my IT department, by my organization. I have created myself using the cPanel videos. So this is my email account. Now here I will type my password and let's type a wrong password and see what it says. So as I said, I'm typing a wrong password. You will get the login is invalid. So here either my email address or password, something is wrong. Let me try it again, and this time I'm going to use the correct password, and you can see login success. So I will log in success here regardless of whatever browser you use. Some browser will ping or ask you to save the password. In my case, I say never, don't want to save. And here log into the webmail, and here if you select that option, it won't come to this page and it will automatically log into the round cube. You can change to Hardy. There is another. Think of these two like one is the look and the features is like Yahoo, the other one is like Gmail or Hotmail or another email clients that you have used. So it's just the look. From here, you can set an autoresponder, like when we are going on leave, or maybe we just want to send an autoresponder anytime somebody send us an email. We say, well, thanks, your email has been received. We will get back to you. Or maybe for vacation and anything else, you can click on it. You can do email filters, you can do forwarders, and there are a lot of other settings on that. We will not go to all of them. We will cover two things. One, how to access webmail. We will click on that, and voila, you can see here it will show you the information that emails are there in your account. You can simply click on one of the emails and it will load the information. Double click on it and you see everything is there. If you want to compose a new email, you do it. It's the same way like you are sending emails through Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, MSN, Outlook, or any other free email clients, but this is a paid or company-wide. You can edit the identity, like right now it will go from info like this. If you want to set up different, you can definitely change that identity. Here you will click and you will say the display name should be Techieideaz. So, and then I will save it. Can definitely have a signature and the and other settings. If you would like to apply all these other settings, I will leave all of them to the default, and we'll go back, save. It's saved, and then we'll click the top to round cube, and now I'm here. Now if I try to send a new email, you will see the display name has been changed, and I can simply write to subject and the body of the email, and attachment is right there, and send. So that's how you can access your webmail, and that's how you can send an email. You can definitely see all other options, the draft, send, junk, trash, and archive, all other folders, same like other email accounts or email options has it. This does have as well. Always sign out from the webmail once you used your account. Thank you.